Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Likee account. Really easy to do. So we're just going to head over to the Likee application and open that up. When you get to this page here, you just want to go to the top left where your profile is and just click on your profile. Then we're going to scroll down till we see settings, click on settings, and then we're going to click on manage account. And right there you see the option to delete your account. So you want to click on delete account. Just take a second to verify. And we just want to put verify and continue. Alrighty, so to delete the account, we have to click on continue, scroll down, and then click on I have accepted and read the account deletion agreement. So we click on that and click on delete, and then confirm deletion. And it just lets you know that your account will take about 7 days to fully delete. And yeah, that's exactly how you do that. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with the video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.